Okay, so we're ready for our next step. You had the wall covering. You're gonna hang it for the first time. What's step number one, Dennis?
Well, the first step is to hang 3 strips and stop.
So you're gonna install 3 strips on the wall and then stop. What are we looking for there?
Well, the reason you do 3 strips is you want to create 2 seams. So you need 3 pieces to do that. Then you evaluate the material. Is it shaded? Is there something wrong with it? And it could be anything. If you stop then, you have the ability to do something about it. The manufacturer certainly doesn't want to hear, I just hung up. Did you hang 3 strips? No, I did the whole room. So that becomes problematic. So if you hang 3 strips, you stop, you call the owner or you call the designer over and say, here's 3 strips. How does it look? And someone will say it's a go or it's not a go. So it's a very simple process.
3 strips and stop. That way you'll ensure that the wall covering looks exactly like you want it to look. And if you mess up, it's a little mistake instead of a very big mistake for hanging all the wall covering. I've heard of installers sometimes hanging the wrong material in the wrong room or mix-up rooms.
Absolutely.
So this way, I guess by getting the designer involved, it also will make sure that it goes smoothly.
It's just good communication.
Again, that's 3 strips and stop.